Do you want to know how to withdraw and sell grass token if you have earned them passively by using GetGrass? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to earn online, and I've talked about GetGrass before because it can be an easy way to earn a bit extra crypto completely passively. But a lot of people have asked me to show my recommended way to actually withdraw it and to potentially even sell it so you can easily spend it if you decide that you want to. So that's exactly what I will show in this video here. So let me just start by making it clear that this is not a full GetGrass tutorial where I show you how you can earn passively and all that. This is just focused on this whole withdrawal method because I talked about the other aspects of it before. I'll also leave a link below to a written tutorial I have on my website, so there you can go over all the details about exactly how it earns if you haven't started using it yet. But it is a free platform you can join, and then in short you can earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth just whenever you are online. And let me now just log into the members area so then you can see how you would actually withdraw your earnings here. So I have now logged in, and for privacy reasons, of course, I've blurred out certain things here. And the thing is, on the dashboard, also as I've shown my full reviews and all that, that's where you can see how much you can earn, and you can go here and also install it on the devices where it's available, and they keep expanding all the time. And then you can earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. And let me just reveal right away that I have actually tested a lot of platforms like this, and this is one of the higher paying ones like this. And when you listen to them explaining about the goals and what they're trying to achieve, I really do like the whole mission they're basically on to make it more fair and to give you actually higher rewards for the data that companies are using anyways. But the great thing is that you don't actually have to do anything once you have installed it. But then to actually get your earnings, you would need to go to the reward section, and they have different stages. And at the time of recording this video, we are in stage 2. Stage 1, they have already airdropped the earnings there, and you would have had to connect a wallet, a Solana wallet. And you could have seen you needed to do this before a certain deadline. But if you didn't do that because you didn't start yet or anything like this, then I'll just explain you what you would need to be aware of in the future to make sure that you can get paid for what you're earning now. And if you already did claim it, then I will show you a tip about how you can get the most out of the grass that you have actually earned. But no matter what, you need to go to the reward section. You can see already I have verified my email, I have verified my wallet and all this here so I could claim it. And then you would need to go here and claim the rewards there. You already needed to do this, but they will later also make this possible for the stage 2 earnings that they are currently offering, or you can currently earn in stage 2. So you would need to keep an eye on that reward center and then just follow the instructions. Here, for example, you would need to connect the wallet, and that's why I always recommend that you just use a completely fresh wallet, not your main wallet, because that's always safer when you connect to anything. And make sure you only use links to connect to anything from the official GetGrass accounts, because there are a lot of scams that tried when they had these airdrops to get you to connect to fake websites where they would just drain your wallet or scam you in various ways. So only use official links. But the thing is that this is just how easy it is. You would just need to basically connect your wallet, and then the dates when they had that airdrop or when they will have it in the future, you just need to keep an eye on it inside the platform here. When they say you can claim it, you would just need to go follow through there, and then they would just drop your earnings into your wallet. So the important thing here is to understand that it's not when you're earning now that you can just claim it. You have to wait until they actually do the airdrops here for the next stage. And it can be hard to know exactly how much you would get because you earn points, and that can then be transferred into these grass tokens here. So that's just something to be aware of. But as mentioned, I've tested a lot of platforms like this, and the earnings I actually ended up getting on Grass, they were quite a bit higher than I actually expected, and some of the highest that I've seen for a platform where you can earn by sharing your internet like this. So that's just something to be aware of. But this is basically all you need to do. If you don't have a wallet, then one thing that I recommend, for example, you can do is it needs to be a Solana wallet. Phantom is super easy to use, free to download and everything. Again, always make sure you use official sources, official links, because there are a lot of scammers, fake websites, all that out there. And then you would just basically just follow the instructions. You will have it here. You can see I have one here also installed here. I have one where I have some grass in here that I also earned. And then you would also need a little bit of Solana, because even if you don't have any grass yet, if you want to actually sell it, as I'll go into in just a bit how you can get the most out of it. But if you're waiting for the next stage and then you need to claim. You just need to have a tiny bit of Solana. It doesn't even need to be this much because there is like this transaction fee or processing fee whenever you claim these airdrops. Then you need to have a little bit of Solana, and also if you want to sell these, if you want to send them to another wallet, you would need a little bit of Solana because it is a Solana wallet. It's on the Solana network, so that's just something to be aware of. I do have a video actually where I talk about free ways to earn Solana, so I'll leave a link in the top corner, so then you could actually use those if you don't have in another wallet and can easily send it and all that. So that's just something to be aware of, but that's definitely an easy one here to just get install. You can then claim the grass here if you already have that, whether it's Phantom wallet or another Solana wallet where you already have the grass that you claim because you did participate previously, because I've talked about it for quite a while. Then let me just show you how I recommend that you can then take it out, sell it easily, spend the grass even if you want to. As mentioned, you can do this now if you already claimed it. If not, then you can also wait. If you just start earning now, or if you earn for stage 2, then when it becomes available for you for this airdrop stage 2 there. They haven't announced any dates yet as of recording this video anyway, so that's something where you just need to keep an eye on the socials and inside the platform. But let's now then go over this, how you can easily get it out, sell it so you get the most out of it, spend it if you want to. Before going over how you potentially can sell your grass or withdraw it so you can spend it and all that, I just want to mention here, as you can see, it has increased quite a bit since they actually launched it when they also did the first airdrop. And you can see at that time it was like around like 65, 70 cents or so, and it's gone all the way up to close to $4 actually. So I also know like a lot of people that actually got the initial airdrops that held on to it there, then the earnings increased significantly. The exact price here, don't get too hung up with that right now because it might be different by the time you watch it, because it is crypto and it is volatile, so it might be lower, it might be higher. So my point is just also to look into, do you think that is something that can increase more? Do you think it's worth holding on to? Then the earnings you have now, you potentially can hold on to. Maybe they will increase further, maybe they will lose value. You know, I can't guarantee that. That's why you need to do further research about what you think the potential of the crypto market, of the grass token itself is, and then decide based on that. So I'm not a financial advisor, I just want to mention this because I know like some people, they held on to it because when you actually claimed it also, you could also stake it. I also talk about that in my video where I talk about grass just after they actually released this token here and also did the first airdrop. I'll leave a link in the top corner there where I talk about how you can actually also stake it so you could earn more passively, and at the same time you can see the people that did that, they didn't only earn passively, they actually also increased the value quite a bit. But it is volatile, so maybe it's not for you, and no matter what, at some point you probably want to sell some of it or be able to spend some of it, or maybe all of it. That's completely up to you as mentioned there, but then I'll just go over how I then recommend you do this. So if you go to Grass and see the markets, what I do like is that they are actually listed there on a lot of exchanges. So if you have any of these exchanges there, you can easily just transfer your grass into there and sell it, transfer it out to other wallets if you want to. You can see some really big ones there, Bybit, BitGet, KuCoin there, ECX, Gate, IO, or Mexi, all these different ones there it is. You can also inside the wallet itself swap it here. So you could, for example, swap it to Solana using the swap feature there. But of course, if you want to actually spend it on something, then you would need to take it out through an exchange, but one that's actually not here, but where you actually get a better price for it overall from what I've seen, and I kept an eye on it since it launched there, is the crypto.com app. I've talked about that before, and it's also super user friendly, and I'll just jump in and talk a little bit about that, because not only will you actually get a better price in most cases there, it also makes it super easy to actually spend the grass if you want to. So I'll just log in to crypto.com there, and then I'll just show you what I mean and show you how you would exactly withdraw to that. So I am now logged into the crypto.com app, and it's super user friendly for beginners. It has a lot of passive ways to earn also, and if you're not yet a member, you can also get a really great joining bonus if you join through my invitation link with my invitation code. I will leave that below. That will also support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that. But anyways, once you're inside, you can go to the markets here, and then you can use the search here. You can search for grass, or you can just like add it once you've searched it there. I've added as my favorites here now, so then I can scroll down and you can see here is GetGrass. And if you notice the current value where I showed it there before, most of the platforms was around like 3.27. Again, By the time you watch this, maybe it'll be a lot more, maybe it'll be less. The point is that I've kept an eye on it, and it has always been a little bit higher here inside the Crypto.com app compared to basically all other platforms I've seen it on. So that means that if you sell it, you'll actually get a little bit more for it there. It's not a huge amount, but the real benefit here also of Crypto.com app is that it's super easy to then actually spend your grass, as they have a Visa card, so you can spend your crypto as you would with any Visa card. So let me just show you how you would withdraw here and how you can potentially then spend it. So you would find grass and then you would click it, and then here you would click on the grass wallet, and I already transferred 10 grass to do a test and see that it actually went through and everything. And what you would then need to do is here to click to transfer. So you can see I would do that, and then I would deposit, because I need to deposit the grass from, for example, the Solana wallet, the Phantom wallet. I have it in there into my Crypto.com app here. So then I would choose that. I would click here and select the Solana network. That's the only one currently that you can have grass on. And then you would get a wallet address. And of course, for privacy reasons, I have blurred that out. But you would then copy this wallet address here. And then you would then jump into your Phantom wallet. And inside the Phantom wallet where you have your grass, you would then choose here to send, and then you choose that you wanted to send the grass there, and then this is where you then need to paste the wallet address that you just copied from inside the Crypto.com app. So I would just do that, and of course again for privacy reasons I've blurred it out. And then here you can choose the amount of grass that you want to send. So in this case here, let me just try 10 again, and then I would go to next. And then you can see the network fee, it's very low because it's on Solana. So I said you need to have a tiny bit of Solana here to be able to do any transactions, but it is a very small amount. So then next here, I just need to click send. And that was it. Then it has been sent. And then it's just a matter of usually a few minutes, and then it will show up inside my Crypto.com app, where I then have this grass here, so I can then actually easily spend it if I want to, or keep it there if I want to. But I will just be right back when I have received it there. So it's been like 2 minutes or so, and now the grass has actually arrived inside my Crypto.com wallet here. So now you can see I had 20 grass, I had 10 before. So it arrived, as mentioned, like it took not even 2 minutes or so. So now I have it here. I can easily sell it if I want to. I can click the grass wallet here, and you can see you can sell it for fiat, like regular currency if you want to, for other cryptos if you want to. Or if you want to easily spend it, then what I really do like about the Crypto.com app here is that they also have a Visa card. So I'll just show you here. I'll just jump out and show you. You can see here, if you go to this card here, you can get a free Visa card. You can just create it, and right away you can actually use it online, and then you can also order a physical copy, so you get a really cool Visa card, and you can use it as you would with any other Visa card. And the thing is here, you could just add funds to this card here, and then you can add this crypto, so you will have funds here because you need to have like fiat currency here, but you can just choose to add it with cryptos, and it will automatically then swap it into this currency here, and then you would have that funds there. So with just a few clicks, you can, for example, get the grass tokens into a Visa card, so you can spend it as a regular Visa debit card. And I also have a full video where I talk about all the benefits of this Visa card here, because in addition to make it easy to spend crypto, it also has other benefits. You can get some great bonuses, you can get cash back, there's all kind of things it has. So I'll leave a link in the top corner there so you can check that out. But that definitely makes it super easy to sell and actually also spend your grass if you want to at some point. So I received a lot of questions about GetGrass and how to withdraw, how to potentially sell the grass and all that. So I hope this helped you. Just be aware that if you already did join it earlier and you connected your wallet, and then you can use this method here. If you did not get started yet, then you can just join now. You can't get paid right now. You have to wait until they actually make this airdrop for the stage 2 earnings there live, but you just need to keep an eye on it. You just need to start earning now. The sooner you start, the more you can actually earn from it there, and they need like millions more users. I heard them talk about this, so there's still plenty of opportunity there. And then you now know how you can actually connect, how you can get it out, how you can easily spend it if you want to at some point, whether you already have grass or whether you are earning now and waiting for them to pay you out later. So I hope this video helped you. As mentioned there, I'll leave a link below so you can easily join Crypto.com and get the best possible joining bonuses there if you use my invitation code there. I'll leave that below. I will also leave a link link to my full GetGrass tutorial, so you can read all about how to actually set it up and earn from it. And at the top there's also joining links, so you can easily get started if you did not get started yet. So make sure to check that out. But no matter what, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.